In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a seamless Instagram carousel in Photoshop. A seamless carousel is when one wide design is split into multiple slides, so the image continues smoothly as users swipe from one post to the next. This technique is perfect for storytelling, product showcases, portfolios, or educational content because it instantly grabs attention and keeps people swiping. Make sure to stick around until the end so you can export everything correctly. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop and social media design tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open Photoshop and click on File, then New. Since a standard Instagram post size is 1080 by 1080 pixels, and we want to create a 3-slide carousel, we need to multiply the width by 3. So instead of 1080 pixels wide, we'll set the width to 3240 pixels. Keep the height at 1080 pixels. Make sure the resolution is set to 72 pixels per inch, which is perfect for screen display, and keep the color mode set to RGB. Once everything looks good, click Create. Now you'll see one very wide canvas. Each 1080 pixel section will become a single Instagram slide. To divide this canvas properly, we need to add guides. Go to View in the top menu and select New Guide Layout. In the panel that appears, set the number of columns to 3. Very important, make sure the gutter is set to 0 so there's no spacing between the sections. Then click OK. You'll now see 2 vertical guidelines dividing the canvas into 3 equal parts. Each section represents one Instagram slide. Anything inside the first section will be slide 1, the middle section will be slide 2, and the last section will be slide 3. Now it's time to design your carousel. Add your background first, whether that's a solid color, gradient, texture, or image. Make sure it spans across the entire width of the canvas so the design feels connected. Then start adding your images, shapes, and text elements. The key here is to think of the canvas as one long banner rather than 3 separate posts. Let elements overlap slightly across the guidelines, so when users swipe, the transition feels smooth and continuous. One important tip is to avoid placing critical text or important details directly on the guidelines. Since the image will be split at those exact points, text placed there could look awkward or get cut off visually when swiping. Instead, keep important text comfortably inside each section while allowing background elements or graphics to flow across the boundaries. You can also use alignment tools and smart guides to keep everything balanced. If you're creating a quote carousel, you might place one sentence per slide while maintaining a consistent background design. If you're showcasing a product, you could let the product image extend slightly into the next slide to create that seamless swipe effect. Once your design is complete and you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to export the slides. To do this properly, select the Slice tool from the toolbar. If you don't see it, click and hold on the Crop tool to reveal it. After selecting the Slice tool, go to the top options bar and click on Slices from Guides. Photoshop will automatically create 3 slices based exactly on the guidelines we set earlier. Now go to File, then Export, and choose Save for Web. In the export window, select JPEG as the format and keep the quality high to maintain sharpness. Then click Save. Photoshop will automatically export 3 separate image files, each sized at 1080 by 1080 pixels. All you need to do now is upload these images to Instagram in the correct order. When users swipe from the first image to the second and then to the third, your design will appear perfectly seamless across all slides. And that's how you create a seamless 3-slide Instagram carousel in Photoshop. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy design tutorials just like this. I'll see you in the next one.